Welcome to the Courses by Serv-Uhub platform, where we're revolutionizing driver education with our research-based curriculum and innovative service platform. Trusted by parents and new drivers alike, we're on a mission to create safer roads through comprehensive education. Every year, thousands of preventable accidents occur due to inadequate driver training. Traditional driving schools often focus solely on passing tests, rather than developing life-saving skills. Meanwhile, new drivers frequently struggle with anxiety and lack confidence behind the wheel. At Serv-Uhub, we believe driving shouldn't just be about getting from point A to B, it should be about arriving safely, every time. Our meticulously researched curriculum goes beyond basic road rules to equip drivers with practical emergency response skills and prevention strategies that could make all the difference on the road. We focus on three critical areas: practical emergency response techniques, preventative driving strategies, and building genuine confidence behind the wheel. Take control of your driving education today. Visit our website at courses.joinservuhub.net to get started. At Serv-Uhub, we're not only concerned about learning to drive and getting roadside service assistance when you need it, we're interested in ensuring safer roads for you, and that you learn to drive with confidence and safety for life.